Hello friends, welcome to Abhiyanvi tutorials. Let's continue to the next class, class 5, that is joins. So in this class we'll learn about inner join, left join, right join, self join and cross joins. So let's start. Let's open MySQL. So here I have two tables. One is a student table which is having name, marks and class. Okay, and other table students personal info where I am having name, age and pin code from which place they have come. Okay, so if you see the students table, we have uh, 8 records. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So in this Ratan David is there. In student personal info Ratan David is not there, remaining all are same. Okay, and similarly in the student personal info we have Prakash Raj, but in students we don't have Prakash Raj. Okay guys, so let's combine these two tables and let's see how joins works. Okay, so let's start. Select name, age. Okay, from, okay, here it is already there. From students join students personal info. Okay guys, on. So whenever you are using the joins, you have to give the alias names, right? So students I am giving the S as alias, and students personal info I am giving the SPI. So on we will combine with S dot name equal to SPI dot name. Okay guys, so this is our query. So we are combining students table and student personal info table using the name, because name is the common column between those two tables, right? So whenever you join two tables, one column should be there. Using the common column you can combine the tables. Okay, so let's say it's a join. I have given join. Let's see the output. Okay, so we got error here. It is saying that column name in the field list is ambiguous. So it is, you are given the name here, but it is not understanding from which table name should be taken. Okay, because students it is having name here. Okay, and student personal info also having name here. So which name it has to take, that is its confusion. That's why it thrown error. So let's give the S dot name. Okay, from students I am taking the name, then it will give the output. So join means what? It will give the common records from the both tables. So students and student personal info having the these records common from Utsav to John. So we got the Utsav to John records as a common. So we got the output as these 6 records. Okay guys, so join and inner join are same. So if you use inner or not, if you are not use, it's okay. So it will give the same output. So inner join also will give the same output. Okay guys, so let's go to the next one, left join. Okay, so for example, if I want to explain with sets, so this is one table, this is another table. So inner join is nothing but common area between these two. So this is inner join. Okay, let's go to the second join, that is a left join. Okay, so left, if I use here, let's use the star here instead of 2 columns. Okay, so what happens, left join is nothing but, if you want to explain with the sets, this is one table, this is another table. So left join means all from first table and matching in the second table. Okay guys, all from the first table like this and matching from the second table, that is left join. Okay, let's run this and see the output. Okay, so here we got the output like this. So Ratan and David, we got null values here from the second table, because there are no Ratan data in second table. That's why we got all null values for Ratan and data, because Ratan and data are not there in the second table. If you see the second table, Prakash Raj are there but not Ratan data. Okay, Ratan David are not there. That's why we got all null values for Ratan and David. Okay, similarly we see the right join. Okay, so right join, if you want to explain with the sets, this is one table, this is another table. Right joining is all from the right table and joining from the and matching from the left table. Okay, all records from the right table and matching from the first table. Sorry, yeah, first table. All records from the second table, right table, and matching from the first table. So that is the right join. Let's see the output. So this is the output. So Prakash Raj are there in the second table, they are not there in the first table, right? Okay, that's why we got here Prakash Raj are not there, but here Prakash Raj are there. So when you combine the right join, so we'll get all nulls for Prakash Raj from the first table. First table they are not there. That's why we get all null values for name, marks and class, because Prakash Raj are not there in the first table. Okay guys, that is the right join. Then we'll go to the self join. Okay, so for self join I have a separate table. Let's say employee team. So this is the table. Here I am having the employee name, employee ID and reports to. Okay, so Ramesh, Raju, Suresh and all report to 5. 5 is nothing but Venkat. And Vinay and Vivek are reporting to 6. 6 means they are reporting to Chris. And Venkat is not reporting to anybody, null value, that means he is the CEO. Okay, so this self join is nothing but joining the same table with the itself. Same table with the same table. Table with itself is called self join. Okay, so we'll take one table, again we'll join the same table with the itself, same table, then we'll get the output of self join. Okay, so let's see that. So employee name, right? So employee name, okay, let's see the what is the column name here. So name only is there, so let's put a name as employee name. Okay, so here I will go one table name I will take E. Okay, another table I will take M. Okay, one is the employee table, another is the manager table. Okay guys, employee name and M dot name as manager. Okay guys, manager name. Okay, from employee team as E. Okay, left join. Okay, left join employee team as M. So what I am doing here guys, I am taking the same table here, employee team, one is E alias and other is M alias. Okay, so I am joining the table with itself, so that is called self join. Okay, so one employee name I am taking as employee name, another employee name I am taking as a manager name. Okay, so I am left joining the one table with other table. Okay, so we'll on E dot reports to, okay, equal to M dot employee ID. Okay guys, so let's see what is the output. So so you have to understand that I am combining the table with itself. Okay, so now we'll get the employee name and manager name. So this type of self joins are useful in HR department, where you have to find the who is the boss for who's, so you can get the employees in one column and their boss in the other column. Okay, employee name and manager name. So using the self join you can achieve this. Okay, so here Venkat is not reporting to anybody, so he is the CEO. Okay, so other people are reporting to Venkat, and even Vinay Vivek reporting to Chris. In turn Chris is reporting to Venkat. That means Venkat is the CEO. So this self join is useful when you have to see some hierarchy in the HR department or any other department. So using the self join we can display who are the employees and who is the manager for those employees. Okay guys, next we'll go to the cross join. So cross join, what I will do is I will take the employee table here. Okay, so here emp name, age, salary are there. So these records are there, around eight records are there. So I will cross join this with students table, this table. Okay, so cross join is nothing but, okay, for example we have n rows in one table, okay, and m rows in other table. Then we'll get cross join. If you cross join one table with the other table, we'll get n into m rows. Okay, so that is the cross join. So let's see the output. Select star from, okay, employee, cross join students. Okay, so here we won't use any on like that, because we are not using any specific column to join them, just we are joining the two tables. Okay, it will give the Cartesian product of number of rows in the two tables. For example, one table is having n and other table is having m, n into m rows we will get. Let's see the output. It's a Cartesian product of n into m. Okay, so this is the output. That means for each row in the students, so Utsav is a row in the student, right? So each row in the student will get one set of this employee table. Okay, so for Utsav we got one set till here, we got, right? Okay guys, let me pull this up a little bit. Okay, so Utsav we got one set like this, and the next record in the students is Barak. So Barak also will get 8 records. Okay, like this. Okay, next Anil. So Anil also will get 8 records from the employee. Like this. So each row in the students will get one set of employee. So that is the Cartesian product of employee and students. Okay guys, hope you understood all joins: inner join, left join, right join, self join and cross join. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Abhi Anvi Tutorials. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.